Hey y'all, welcome back to our somatic yoga series. If you've been following along, you've already learned the foundation of somatic movement from our first two videos. Today, we're building on the shoulder shrugs you learned in video one, and we're going to focus specifically on tech neck and shoulder tension relief. You can do this whole practice sitting or standing, whatever feels best for you. And let's start with a quick check in. Wherever you are right now, without making any changes yet, pay attention to your head and neck. Is your head sitting directly over your shoulders, or is it kind of leaning forward and down? Just notice what's here right now. Take a moment to gently shrug your shoulders up and back like you're pinching a pencil between your shoulder blades, and down. One more time. Up, back, and down. What are you feeling right now in your neck and shoulders? Take a mental note and we'll check back in at the end to see what shifted. This is also a great opportunity to journal in your practice. You can always press pause on a video and be like, ooh, let me notate what my body's feeling here. That way you can have a physical record of your changes. But enough of me yapping. Let's get back into it. Today we're going to explore something called pendulation. Picture a pendulum gently swinging back and forth. That is the natural rhythm your body craves. So when you spend hours looking down at phones or looking up at computers, your nervous system starts to think that that's the only safe position. But through gentle pendulation, we're showing your body that it's safe to move in all directions again. We're reminding our bodies that it's a dynamic being, essentially. So, as always, we're going to begin with some breathing, and this will help open your chest, relax your shoulders. So get comfortable and just let your head settle naturally wherever it wants to lie right now. Just let it. And we're going to place one hand on our chest and one hand on our belly. Breathe slowly and let your shoulders melt away from your ears with each exhale. Okay, beautiful. Now, I'm going to slow down the breathing a little bit. I want you to take a slow breath in through your nose, letting your chest gently expand, feeling that top hand raise slightly. I want you to breathe out through your mouth, letting your shoulders soften away from your ears. Let's do this 5 more times together, where you're breathing in, chest expanding, breathing out through the mouth, shoulders melting down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Last one, breathe in and breathe out. Notice if your breathing feels different from when we first started this practice. If your brain, your mind, your energy, just from the breathing, if you feel different, let me know actually. Let me know because I'm getting that little natural high feeling from getting enough air. If you know, you know. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. All right, now we're going to explore pendulation through gentle movements. So remember, this is just following your body's natural rhythm. No forcing, no perfect timing. Okay? Just gentle back and forth movements that feel good to you. Let's start by moving your head into alignment. So I want you to imagine that there's a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. So It's keeping you steady. Your head is steady looking up, okay? And then we're gonna do some chin retractions. So keeping your eyes looking straight ahead, I want you to imagine yourself as like a turtle retreating into its shell. And I want you to gently draw your chin back toward your neck. Feel the back of your neck lengthen. Now let your head come forward just slightly and then draw back again. Let this become a gentle back and forth movement, like a slow pendulum. Move only as far as feels comfortable. You don't need to try and become a giraffe now. We are turtles. You're creating a pendulation between forward and back. No rush, no perfect speed, just what feels natural for you right now in this moment. Few more seconds of this. All right. You can come back to stillness. Now let's bring pendulation to the shoulders. Starting with the shoulder shrugs from video 1, we're going to lift our shoulders up towards our ears and then let them drop down. But let's deepen this a little bit. Let's create a flowing movement, like a slow, continuous circle. So lift your shoulders up, then roll them back, then let them drop down, and then gently roll them forward. Nice and slow, like you're giving yourself a little shoulder massage. And reverse the direction. So roll them back up, forward, down, back, up, forward, down. Keep going. This pendulation helps your shoulders remember all the directions they can move instead of being stuck in that forward hunched position from looking at screens. You can adapt these movements if you need to or as you need to, so you can make the circles smaller, or you can focus on just up and down shrugging motion. Few more seconds here. We're going to move on to the neck now. So keeping your shoulders relaxed, gently turn your head to look over your right shoulder. Don't force it. Just go as far as it feels easy. Now, slowly turn to look over your left shoulder. Again, only as far as feels comfortable. And let this become a slow, gentle turning back and forth, like you're slowly saying no. Mm-mm. No, ma'am. No, sir. No, thank you. And just keep rotating side to side. You can make these movements smaller or larger based on what feels right. Some days your neck might want to move more, some days less. Both are perfectly fine. If turning feels uncomfortable, you can just imagine the movement instead. Remember what I said in that last video about just visualizing something being just as powerful. So just starting there until you get to a point where you can do the movement. Let's finish with some gentle shoulder blade squeezes to counter that rounded shoulder position from tech use. So going back to that pencil imagery, imagine you're trying to hold a pencil between your shoulder blades. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together, then release. Let this become a slow, gentle rhythm. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Keep going. You'll have this open space across your chest and strengthens the muscles that support good posture. Keep that gentle rhythm going for a few more breaths. This is actually one of my favorite movements to do during the workday when I'm like, okay, my back is not happy. Beautiful. All right. Now let's integrate everything we've practiced with some conscious breathing. So return to that hand placement where we have one hand on the chest, one hand on the belly. As you breathe in, let your head settle comfortably over your shoulders, top of the head reaching toward the ceiling. Someone's pulling that string again. And as you breathe out, you feel your shoulders lower, softening down, letting gravity do its job. Take 3 more breaths with me, just letting your body settle. Breathing in and breathing out, shoulders soft. Breathing in, breathing out, shoulders softening. Last one, breathing in and breathing out, letting your body settle. Let's take this as a moment to check in with your neck and shoulders again. What do you notice now? What you just experienced is how somatic movement works differently from regular stretching. Instead of forcing your muscles into new positions, we're helping your nervous system remember how to move freely. So you can use these movements throughout your day. Even just a few chin retractions at your desk or some shoulder pendulations can help you reset your posture. Let's take one final breath in, feeling the space across your chest and the length of your back. And when you breathe out, I want your whole body to settle into the ground like you're becoming one with the ground. Breathe in and breathe out. Thank you for practicing with me today. And in our next video, we're going to explore some spinal mobility. Bye.